Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. So today I'm going to be doing my memory plan with me in my Erin Condren. This is for the week of the Monday, June 8th. And so if you'd like to see me plan and like pre-plan this video out, I will have that video linked down below, or it will pop up in the cards so you can watch it after this video if you want, where I just lay down the base of the kit. And this is a kit by Isha's Plans. It's called Milky Way Galaxy because it's like a kind of a lending to Sailor Moon theme. So yeah, if you want to see me pre-plan and how I got to this point, I'll have that video linked down below. But otherwise, I'm just going to go in day by day and just kind of fill in all those blank spaces with memories and things that we did. So starting with Monday, I'm going to take a half box from the kit, and then I have this book Doodles by Wild Summer Designs, because I really needed to update my son's Beanstack log. That's like he's doing a summer reading challenge with our local library, and they're using Beanstack so I can track how many pages he read or how many minutes he read, and then that way he can be entered to win like some of their prizes. And then I'm just going to take a corner bow from Simply Watercolor Co. just to give the book stack a little, stack of bows there, or like a little corner bow, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. So that was for updating Beanstack. I'd been like a week behind because I completely forgot I should be updating it daily. Then I'm going to go ahead and take it's a transparent scalloped corner from Simply Watercolor Co. and another book stack from Cozy Paper Co. These are from a previous $1 Wednesday, and I do PR with Cozy Paper Co. So if you ever want to check out anything from her and you put my name in the notes, you'll get my extra freebie. And so that is just because my son has, for this week and the past week too, he was doing a STEAM, like learning activities with the library. And so they would meet every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for 2 weeks straight, and it was a free event. They were just meeting on Zoom, and it was really fun for him. I forgot when he did this one, but it might have been either robotics or coding, I think. Then I'm going to take a transparent dot from the Giving Girl, as well as a money bag from the kit, just to mark that I needed to go ahead and update our budget, like my checkbook and everything, just to make sure all the purchases we made over the weekend I keep track of. And then at the bottom there, I'm going to use a star divider from Sadie's Stickers. And just because I don't know, I like the stars with, the moons and stars in this kit, and it looked cute, so why not? My gratitude for Monday, I wrote walk, because I had made the time to go for a walk, and it just felt nice to like get out, be in nature for a little bit, and, go for a walk. It felt nice, so... Moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to take an appointment label from the kit and a backpack from an older $1 Wednesday from Cozy Paper Co. Because my son did have an appointment at his old school, his elementary school, to go and pick up his things. Since, when they did leave in March, he came home on a Friday, and then the whole weekend we thought they're going to go to school Monday. Like, maybe school will get canceled. We don't really know, but we kind of had the idea that, yeah, like they haven't said anything, and so he's going to go to school Monday. But then Sunday night we found out, that school was going to be canceled. So he left all his belongings at school. And since he is no longer returning because he's in middle school now, we had to go and make an appointment to go and pick up his stuff from the school. Next up, I'm taking a half box from the kit and a laptop sticker from Cozy Paper Co. Just to mark that my son is going to be doing Khan Academy. Well, he did do the Khan Academy on Tuesday, which is a free resource for kids to use, and it's just an activity that he could do for the school, but also it's good to just do, even if he wasn't doing the summer reading challenge. We like him to do Khan Academy since it helps him keep sharp with his skills, math skills and stuff like that. I'm also going to use another side bow from Simply Watercolor Co. and then a little squiggle from the Rose Colored Days and Nikki Plans sampler collab thing. And then I'm just going to use some little dainty bow like dots from the Giving Girl, because I thought they'd be cute to put like over the phone and over the money bag, and just here and there, whatever. I like to put little bows in. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a what is this, a pill bottle from an older $1 Wednesday from Cozy Paper Co. and then a refill prescription script from Cozy Paper Co. This is actually my freebie, so when you mention my name in the notes, this is the new freebie that you get. It's this pretty almost tie-dye-y, but like, you know, watercolory, gold foiled freebie, and there's some stickers missing because I use them obviously. But that was just because we needed to refill my son's prescription. And then just to add a little twinkle in there, I'm going to use a starry divider from the Giving Girl in between, so that way it's not so blank, I don't know, to make it look pretty. And then for my gratitude for Tuesday, I wrote that I was grateful for completing my to-do list because I had a huge, oh my God, I had like 10 or 15 things. I had this whole piece of paper, a ton of, I completed all of it. I was really proud. Usually every single day, I write down my to-dos every morning, and then I will inevitably end up putting an arrow at least on one or two, if not more of them. But this day I did them all and it felt good. Moving on to Wednesday, I'm going to use a quarter box from the kit, another laptop from Cozy Paper Co., and another side bow from Simply Watercolor Co. to mark the meeting, with the STEAM meeting again, since I said it's Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And they meet on Zoom, so, you know, the laptop. Then I'm going to take a package from Cozy Paper Co. and a heart doodly arrow thingy from the Giving Girl, and these are transparent stickers. I love how this like new trend of transparent stickers is like starting. I really think that the Giving Girl started it, because I didn't see anybody else pumping out transparent stickers, and now they're kind of, you know, spreading, making waves. Oh, so good. They look so cute how you can like kind of see through them. I don't know. Anyways, so that was just a mark I needed to pick up a package on Wednesday. And then I'm going to take this, I don't know, like a third box maybe from the kit, and then a wash bedding icon from Dasho Sun Designs, who is currently on maternity leave, but by the time you see this video, wait, no, is she gonna be up? No, she is going up really soon. I actually think that her opening is Saturday the 20th. Yeah. So look out for that. I am going to be a part of her PR team. Surprise, the cat's out of the bag. I did know that, like, I was kind of keeping it secret because she hadn't announced it yet. Obviously, I'm going to let her announce it. And I am part of her PR team. So I'm just so excited. I've PR'd for her before, and I love her stickers. And then she went on a little break for maternity leave, and she's back. And I'm happy to be part of her team again. She's got a bunch of new stuff. Oh, it's so cute. Wait till you see it. Anyways, so we washed our bed sheets. So I'm using that from Dasho Sun Designs. Then we also finally changed our air filter. We were supposed to change it back in spring, so like 3 months ago. But anyway, regardless, we finally changed it. So that's an older change air filter sticker from Sweet Quai Design. I've held that for years. I don't even know if, you know, does she still sell them? I don't know. But anyway, I just used like one of the Giving Girl's transparent circle like dots, but it's got this cute little side bow on it. So cute. Then I'm going to use a like bow quarter box from the kit, and then a Clean Yo Bling sticker from Stardust Stickers. And that's an older sticker too. I've had that for several years as well. Well, not, you know, 2, 3, 4, maybe at tops. She actually does still sell those, I know, from what I've seen, but she changed the design so it's like script instead of like just regular writing. I don't know. But I still have the sheet, you know, I'm still going to use them, obviously. So anyways, then I'm just going to take some more bows from the Giving Girl. She just sells this, you know, full sheet of these cute little dainty bows. I think I got those in a grab bag, if I'm not mistaken, because I've never purchased those, but I have them. So I'm pretty sure sometimes she'll do oops grab bags, or sometimes she'll just do non-oops. They're just like random grab bags. I don't know. And I'm pretty sure that's where I got those from. I love her grab bags. So that was what I did on Wednesday. Wednesday was just kind of mostly like a deep cleaning kind of day, you know. I did the bed sheets, we did the air filter, did my rings. I try to do the rings once a month. The air filter, it took so long because I'm too short when I get up on the ladder to reach and change it. And my husband's over the weight limit for the ladder. We have this like cheap little small aluminum ladder. So we obviously need to get a taller ladder so I can go up there, and a more sturdy ladder, and it's taller so I can reach it, you know. For Wednesday, I put I was grateful for the safety of my family. I'm just so glad that like my mom and my in-laws, being elderly and having, you know, underlying medical conditions, I'm just glad that they, you know, I don't know, knock on wood, they haven't gotten sick yet. It's just, you know, I mean, my mom doesn't really go anywhere, but she does have people come in the house, like, to help her because she's on disability. And so she has, like, helpers from the state. And then my in-laws, they do go out, you know, just to buy, like, groceries and things sometimes. I don't know. I'm just glad that nobody has caught it, you know. For Thursday, the TPC sale began on Thursday. And I did have 2 shops in the sale, so I needed to mark that. I just wrote down the code and how much the shops were off. Then I went ahead and grabbed a bubble mailer icon from Cozy Paper Co. and one of these tiny little cute bows from the Giving Girl, just to mark that USPS came to pick up some packages from me. They offer that as a free service if you just opt to have them pick it up during your normal, mail drop off time. And then used a Nikki Plans and Rose Color Days squiggle under that. For my Thursday gratitude, I was grateful for boba and crab because we went out and ate at the Boiling Crab and had boba for dessert, and it's like my favorite tradition. So Friday, I did write the Boiling Crab in there, and that's because I was supposed to put that half box on Thursday, but it was a little too late because I'd already pre-planned it and put it on Friday. So I just wrote the Boiling Crab in there because that's where we went. And then just checked off some things. There really wasn't any room to do anything else on Friday. But I was grateful for brownies on Friday because I made the most amazing freaking brownies. Not to brag, but they were delicious. So for Saturday, what did I do for Saturday? I don't think there was any room. I just checked things off. Let me double check. Yeah, I just checked things off and wrote that I was grateful for feeling fulfilled at the time. And then for Sunday, again, ran out of room, but I basically used a cleaning bucket from Naomi Love Designs and then a couple of transparent stickers from the Giving Girl. One was just the dot and the other one was the dot with the side bow, so it was super cute. And I was grateful for leftovers that day because we had some delicious leftovers and it was an easy dinner. Anyways, here is the completed spread after the pen with all of the beautiful and fun and loving memories filled in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel, helps it to grow and find new people, and helps support me, and I really appreciate your support so much. Definitely leave me a comment if you have a question about anything. All these shops are linked down below, as always. If you use my links or discount codes, I really appreciate the support, and if it saves you some money, then I'm happy to, provide it. Definitely subscribe if you're not already, but you'd like to see more videos from me because I put out videos regularly. I try to do 3 videos a week. And with that, I hope that y'all take care and have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.